Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, local security authority protection is off, your device may be vulnerable 100% fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Windows Security, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates, click and expand Windows components, click Local Security Authority. Open Configure LSASS to run as a protected process. Check Enabled, select Enabled with UEFI lock, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control. Click LSA. Open Run as PPL, change value data to 2. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as, run as PPL boot, change value data to 2. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.